Hey guys, I'm going to show you a zombies Easter egg that was put into Blackout. It wasn't there during the beta. They have added something new, and when you activate this Easter egg, you get some merits towards ranking up in Blackout, and you also unlock one of the Dark Ops hidden challenges, and you also get a Dark Ops calling card to go with it. So all you have to do, it's very simple, is get to Tranzit on Blackout, and then head over to this area right here. This is where the Speed Cola machine used to be, and now they've put a jukebox there, and obviously it's inside the diner. All you have to do is go up to it and activate it, hit X or square, and it'll start playing zombie songs. It'll play the Transit loading screen, and then the 4 other are actually full Easter egg songs. The one playing right now is the Transit loading screen, and you just hit it again, it will play another one. And as soon as you activate this, you're gonna get the calling card. And I'll show you guys what that looks like in just a moment. And if you want to hear the other songs, all you have to do is activate it again at any time. This next song that's playing is the Keynote Easter Egg song called 115. If you do activate these songs, just know that people outside of the diner and this area can hear it. There is a pretty loud speaker outside letting people know that something's going on the inside, and yeah, you can hear the music. I'll tell you guys what the other Easter egg songs are. They do play randomly. This one here is the Transit Easter egg song called Carrion, and it's sung by Clark S. Nova. This next one is a Shinonuma Easter egg song called The One, sang by Alina Sigmund. And then the final song is Abracadaver, and that is the Ascension Easter egg song, also sang by Alina Sigmund. So once you head into the diner and trigger that jukebox, you're going to get 25 merits when you end that match. And it's also going to let you know that you got the Zombie Jams Dark Ops calling card. To access it and put it on, you just go into Blackout and then hit Options and go over to Challenges and then over to the Dark Ops Challenges. And you can see this classified section right here. It will be unlocked. But I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.
Thank you for watching Glitching Queen's video. Hoorah!